Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2014 Kia Forte 5 maintenance light reset. And we're going to be using that screen right there. And these button over here. This is menu button, down, and enter. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. And keep in mind, this particular model has a program where you can turn off the warning lights for maintenance completely, so that you don't have that warning lights every time you need to change oil, which I think is a bad idea, because a lot of people will not change their oil if they don't see anything, or they just forget about it, and if you don't change your oil, then that's bad. Anyway, for those of you that has that system turned on, this is how we're gonna reset it. But first, let's turn the system on, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. Go ahead and press menu, and keep pressing menu until you see the user setting. Now scroll down to service interval, enter on that, and as you can see, it's off on off mode right now. We're gonna go down and turn it on, enter on, and scroll down to you see the mileage you want to set. Right now I'm gonna set, just keep scrolling down to the number that you want and hit the enter, and I'm gonna set it to 5,000 because I'm doing the full synthetic mobile one. Now after you're there, you got your mileage, scroll down to your month, keep scrolling down. I'm gonna do 3 months, and you can do as much as you want. And after you're done, just press down and press back, and that's it, guys. Whatever comes first, 5,000 miles or 3 months, the warning, you will have that warning lights of maintaining required, and that is it. And those of you that wants to turn it off, that's how you just go reverse. You go ahead and press menu and go to a service interval, enter on that, and scroll down to off and turn it off, just like I'm doing right now, because this customer doesn't want to have that indicator, and we're gonna turn it off. So that's it, guys. That's how you do it. And guys, don't forget to click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.